In just a few years, booking a trip has gone from stressful to seamless. Behind the scenes, artificial intelligence. Remember calling travel agents or printing tickets? Today, AI tools can predict prices, suggest destinations, and even speak for you. AI is already with you. From translating menus with your camera, to hotel chatbots and facial recognition at airport gates, the future has arrived. Imagine this. Your AI assistant knows your travel history, food preferences, and favourite climate, and books accordingly. Or even explores cities for you in real time via augmented reality. This new era is exciting, but it also raises questions. Who controls the data? How much do we trust algorithms with our safety? One thing's for sure, AI is becoming your silent travel companion, and this is only the beginning. Want more cinematic stories where tech meets travel? Hit subscribe and let's explore the future together.